Before we start, so the functions, as Samiksha said, there are many functions which I'll be teaching today. So the first one is wish me. So what wish me function is exactly? So yeah, so it's to put it in simple words. So based on the time, it wishes us, like suppose it's a morning time, then it wishes us good morning. If it's an evening afternoon, it wishes us afternoon, and if it's an evening. So just simply based on the time, it wishes us. So further, I'll declare a function. Define the function as wish me. So you can put it wish me or wish, or it's up to you which function you want to keep. After wish me, now I want all of you to go to your terminal, pip install date time. If you have it, no problem. If you don't have it, use this command and try to install date time. I already have it. So if for you it takes some time in installation, once it installed, now what this command, what this function does, or what this module does is, so it basically helps us to get the current time, date, or day also. So this function we use for that. So to get the current time and date and everything. So to get the current time, suppose I don't want the whole time now. I only need the hour, because based on the hour, we'll decide it whether it's morning or evening or afternoon. So for that, I'll initiate a variable hour is equal to, it's in the form of integer. So int date time, the library date time, in that the class again date time, in that the function is now. Okay, now current time, that means now means current. In the current, I want hour. I hope everyone understood this line. So I initiated a variable called hour. In that, the integer value of date time, that's the library date time. This is the class date time according to hierarchy order class, and then the function, and then the hour. So I want the current hour, what is happening. So once I get the hour, I'll use if function. If hour, so here hour we get it in the form of 24 hours format. So it starts from 0 to 24. So for that, I give as hour if it's greater than or equal to 0, and hour is less than 12. Then I want it to wish me as good morning. So speak, you remember the speak function from here. So I want it to wish me as good morning. The similar way for the afternoon, elif function now, if hour is greater than or equal to 12, and hour is less than 18. Now I wanted to wish me good afternoon. Now else function, sorry. So the else function, if it's not afternoon, it's morning, that means the remaining time, I wanted to wish good evening itself. Good evening. So I basically gave good afternoon, good morning, and good evening based on the time it wishes me. So now to test it, so for now we don't, the take command function is not required. So I'll just comment it now. Now I'll check whether this function is working or not. So for that, we need to put this function in the variable. So what is the function? Wish me. So once I hit the wish me, and now I run it.
Good afternoon.
So if you can hear that it said good afternoon. So right now it's 14. That means 2 o'clock. So from 12 to 18 in between. So it's saying good afternoon. So based on the time, it says good morning or good afternoon, good evening. I hope everyone got this. Basically, so I just use the date time library, and from that I just try to get the current time, and using the date time This I guess gave the function what to speak, when to speak. So for now, yeah, the thing is now if I hit every time, it wishes me done, and then now it need to take my comment. So whenever I run it, it wishes me, and then it will suppose I want it to speak to me also. So I tell it speak. I am your personal assistant. How are you, sir? So I want it to ask me, like once it run, it greets me and then it asks. I want it to ask me. Or I try to communicate with it. So for that I put this. So we'll hit it run. Before we hit it run, we'll see whether it is greeting me in good afternoon, and then we'll see whether it's telling me am I your personal assistant and how are you, sir? So I'll try to run it.
Good afternoon. I am your personal assistant. How are you, sir?
Yeah. So pretty much it worked fine. So I hope everyone's working fine for everyone now. Now we do what we do is, so from now what happens, so this is the main part begins where we need to give our commands and the function. So for each what the command we do, what function we need to do. So for that, while true, while everything is true, okay, I want it to store as text, a variable called text, which is take command function. So I'll remove this take command, the commented one. Yeah. So the take command function, what happens? See, once you say the take command function, here it stores in the form of query, right? It stores in the form of query, and that query is been returned again. So at the last, again the query has been returned to the take command function. So whatever the query is there, I want it to store again in the variable called text, but dot lower. That means in lowercase. I don't want if there are capital letters. Suppose if the starting it, suppose how it takes is in the capital or small letters. So I don't want it to take in the form of all capital, or like if there are any capital also, I want it to convert into lower. So for that, I'll be using dot lower the function. Now the text, whatever I tell, whatever the user tells, that it will be taking as text. So this is pretty much like it from now what happens is whatever we tell the user, whatever he or she tells, it takes it and it stores in a variable called text. And from text it will analyze the text whatever we say, and from this based on that it will perform the actions. So now to check whether the text is working or not, or to see whether it's taking my output or not, I'll just put suppose if suppose oh yeah, it asked me like how I am your personal assistant, how are you, sir? Suppose I tell okay, I'm good, and what about you, if I ask it the same. So I take what about you as my keywords. So if what and about and you. So what about you in text, suppose if what about you is there in the text, that means if when the user input is tell, when the user said has containing what about you, I want it to speak I am good, sir. Suppose something, uh, what can I do for you? Okay. So so this is the function, or this is the command which I want to work it now. So I'll ask it so it will ask me, I'm a personal assistant, how are you, sir? Then I tell what about you is there in my sentence, which I tell. Then automatically it need to tell I am good, sir, what can I do for you? If this part is working, then we can say that my personal assistant it's taking the command, it's analyzing it, and based on it, it's giving the output. So once I hit it run, suppose
Good afternoon. I am your personal assistant. How are you, sir?
I'm good, what about you?
I am good, sir. What can I do for you?
Yeah. So now you can see that it recognized my it analysis, and wherever which what can I what about you is there, it automatically told, okay, what about user? So I need to do this function. And also, if you see my console or if you see my terminal, see what happened in the starting before. When you used to have take command function here, it only used to run once. So that means it used to listen, it needs to go off. But now when I put the whole command under while true, so what happened, it's going on recognizing and listening, it's listening and recognizing. As I don't tell anything, so it went to the exceptional case which I given, and it's printing, I am sorry, please repeat it. So that's the reason why I used while true here, and that's the reason why I use exception here. So once I start to run it, so it will be running until the time I say okay to until I stop it, or if a function is there something to stop it, then that is the function which I'll be teaching in the later on, in the last. So if you tell the function also, it automatically stops. So until then, I want it to listen to me, I want it to assist me. So that's the reason I put the whole thing under while true, or else the only this runs only for once, and then again it kills itself. So everyone is clear until here? Are you getting any issues, or I think everyone is